Update. If you are here, please let me see your necessary. I'm on live, please. I'm on live. Yes, so let's, once we get to 50, then we kick off. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. 24 bit. Yes, 81, yeah, 140, yes, till we can kick off. Now, sorry guys, people are trying to call me in case on Beyugbiri, on Sanyosari, where Mawa flew, people are trying to get you to me. All right. Yeah, we got a good news today. One of our musicians came in this morning. He was stopped, obviously, because of the red list near Tagimatu. And take kayak by Nigeria, no they will be, but I think the flight was around 6, but the law was enforced for it started from 4 o'clock, so we still tried, and thank God that they did not return him. They just asked him to quarantine in one of those hotels. Obviously, we have to pay that £2,285. I still that hotel. I think the hotel is one of those 4-star hotel in Chodo. So the sad part is that this weekend our show is the first show is going to be on in Nottingham, and the second one is Liverpool. So Liverpool, Nottingham people, and Glasgow. Sorry about that, because obviously it will still be in his isolation zone. But next week, Friday, is Aoye. Your brother is in town, so he's going to be with us next week, and which is Birmingham and Manchester and so on and so forth. But I'm trying to. His name is Ambassador Rusele. I'm trying to bring him online. I don't know why he's not. He's not. I told him to pick. Remind me a line now. Let's see. Oh God. I'm trying to. Rusele, please call me so that they can see you. Call me now so that they can see you, Rusele. But I know you guys know him. He's one of the top musicians in Saland. He's one of the top musicians in Saland. Yes, I know you guys know him. Yeah. Okay. Let me see people talking, and then when he come alive on board, I will just bring him on board, because there was no point of him doing a little video from his hotel. Then he posted it running, and I would know. Let me just do live direct. And what can I do again? Okay. Let me see if I can call him on one of my other. You went to phone number now. Yeah, we need a WhatsApp call then.
You have his number.
Okay. Guys, sorry, because I'm trying to bring him on board so that we can just give me a minute, please. I want us to see him, and you want to tap his number, eh?
Yes.
Plus 234 34. Sorry about that. I don't like on WhatsApp, eh?
Oh, yeah. He's saying his line is switched off.
On WhatsApp, right? No, WhatsApp.
No,
it directed him.
Okay.
Because
no, I wanted to save the number.
Okay, so yeah, because the SIM card is not.
Okay.
SIM card is not. Yeah, SIM card is not. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Yes, so we thank God for everything. So I was saying, one of the musicians was able to skate through across the pipe, the going or not fly, or not jump, or not fly fence in it. But he had to die with him running. I'm going to come by running. Or hang. So If when my week we say, don't worry, take it. So obviously, after 8 to 10 days, unofficial quarantine isolation, then it will come and join us, and it's going to be powerful. But he didn't care, like I said, no flight is coming from Nigeria, so it's sad that really like. Let me just expose one. You came in here, Tinia, where there was no point, but one my mind is our father, like our father, Dr. Colleagues, okay. Supposed to be supposed to join us, okay, to boy the living legends, supposed to be with us, but we're not so done. So thank God we hear him on backlist, okay, we'll take over that position. Or many might be like pay, okay, was supposed to give it to us heavy. Yeah, there's the great legends, boss to be one. No, Mama,
sorry, I can't find him.
On your WhatsApp, just go to test, no call.
Okay.
I can't find him.
Ah,
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, can't be plus 43. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to. What you are saving here?
It's how you.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, just a minute, so that in our warning, then I will not be trying to sort out okay, this thing. Let me give to Mama. Mama want to say hello to you. Mama, they get to you and they get sort of.
My people, I agree to. I'm a very loyal person to you all. Who not loyal, go loyal. I don't want to loyal. That's why I'm loyal. I greet everybody. How are we does? How are we doing? How are we doing? Unado, I greet everybody. Sasuyi West is here. Oh,
my people.
What is that? What is that
Title.
again? What's that your title?
AKA Akanunu one of UK.
Okay. So let's go.
Oh, this is the way of your one of UK. AKA Ajabi Wowo.
I agree to now.
Yeah.
Right now,
Okay,
now see me.
I think I'm able to. Yes.
Now see me.
I'm going to use my laptop to get into here.
Now see t-shirt when I wear so. Tie, where
Tap send.
why go at TB?
Tap
Can you say why
send.
you want TB? See am, tap send. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
request me for that.
now
Request me for
will
that.
be a so. Now will be a
I'll
so.
accept you there.
Now our point be say you
Yeah.
fit take send money. We will talk about this in a brief.
Request me there.
So he has come.
Yes. It's
Yes,
something. Request me for the live so that I can bring you on board.
Hello, my brother.
Okay. Can you see me on my live?
I don't see you now.
And then call me for there. You just call me from there. Then I will accept you so you'll show for my platform. Look for.
You don't see me now.
No, once you call me now, and once you request me now, then I will now bring him on board. Okay, write something. May I see? I've not been. Does anyone know how Jerusalem where I've never done this before? I want Jerusalem to call me through this platform so that everyone can see him. Can anyone just explain it? What to do?
Tap send.
No, this now my WhatsApp. I see for WhatsApp, but I want me to come my Facebook live.
And you got me come for your WhatsApp first.
Okay. Yes, my people. Okay, if it's not possible, maybe we'll just let me call him a WhatsApp live again, WhatsApp live, so that I think I will not bend the camera any other way.
Okay, you see I'm with my phone.
No. My laptop, WhatsApp Pro, so I can go through this time. Yeah.
so that they can talk to me.
So these people, my Asian people, your brother is here with us, so he hasn't come through. This is okay. They do time, but let me call him back again. We just do it through this one. I'm live.
Okay, that's him.
Guys, in my hand, this is Jerusalem. So can you post him? Jerusalem.
I greet you.
You dey live now, so talk to your people.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Iwo Hekpoma, Iwo Hemosa, Iwo Hebele,
Yes.
Iruwa, Ubiaja,
Yeah.
Uromiwo, Ebuwo, Oduawo, Omonosewadi Ware Fiowi, Advisor, Eromosere,
Yeah.
24 beating Iware, Lupuge, Edo State, not the UK, or Advisor Eromosere, Dupuge, UK.
Yeah.
But Tamawa Gary Bila, you Dikere.
Tell them your experience. Tell them your experience.
Okay, plus somewhere, the flight in the car there, on winner meno, I even now 24 bit or in Aguali, any amount, not a me virgin, I'm a mere, me quito your kata, me love it not there, it wouldn't be your regular power in the quaff for 10 days. But I will more, yes, it doesn't know what.
Yes.
You will do back a boomeroo.
Yeah.
Back a boomeroo.
Yeah.
Me was a sabo mutor the power with this Friday show now. Winner. Ramudi, so you know, we are even booking you could me, but we are to meet the quarter and a battery quarter. A quarter maybe. What's that?
Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. So greet your people. Greet your people. This is the mama.
We greet you, IB.
Everywhere not clear.
You go clear, no worry. You go clear.
You don't say that we pray for you.
They say you are when you fly.
You don't say that we pray for you. My brother call you John first. You say you the conference and one call John first. Now we hug you. This is not easy for. It's not easy now. It's not easy. To come UK. It's not easy. We hug you there.
Don't
worry, everything go fine. Everything go fine. 10 days go complete.
Yes,
now.
as you they talk now, all Isha people when he day
Yes.
here, I beg may they come out that day.
Yes, so they
may
will
they
come
come
out.
out. I beg.
Do?
I'm not in UK.
Yes, so. Oh yeah! You don't eat? You don't eat? Hey.
So you don't eat now. Which kind of food they give you there?
They don't give us food. They say today na 0 day.
Oh, sorry.
When they ask you a question, what do you know that you say you don't speak English?
Who is inviting you? Let me just tell you. You see this boy when they talk to you, so English not there. Primary cannot go. I don't even know how to read. I don't even know how to write. So if you know anything what you want to do, if you believe in God, allow me to leave this place with God fear. I don't know what he's saying. Who is this? Who is this? But I'm going to maintain
Oh God.
Now, God,
The 4 people when they carry me, they don't deport on this one.
Hey, really?
Yes, now.
Because the people tell me.
Now one woman just come out. The woman just come out from nowhere. You say no, your visa is like a resident permit, you know. Okay, you know. Me I do as a but say he be what I'm
They carry they go back.
They carry they go back on 3. Almost the ones went there with me. Yeah, now 4 people that take carry us go one side. 3 of them they don't carry them. Now one woman just come carry me, come for them, come put me for the other side. Carry the paperwork. Carry the paperwork they give me. You just use and put her for another place. You go collect my passport. You go do. You carry me, come for there. You go carry me, give another man. You say, last year I'm coming back.
Now Grace speak for you. Grace.
Wow. This is just saying some people strong well.
They pray for you.
Since you are no one you school in 24 bit in UK, you know,
We go call. I will call you later, eh?
Okay,
I call later. I make a greet all these people. I just by the show. So, all right, brother, eh? One love, eh? So, okay, let me meet my people. Very funny man. So,
Very funny man.
what you?
Yeah.
But what's not hanging?
Because we've seen surface in there. We're ready with surface now.
They also another repatriate any care now.
So I ain't got any knowledge.
So, una hanging.
Don't yes, I see. I don't know where even now they are. Do ya? But my market could put you away. Yes, as a friend. You might say, well, see, I'm going to say, anything more.
Yes, how you make una wake up because before we got that body, raised that 2,280 pounds. Hey, nobody sleep for this house. We know our mouth not even cover food. Now so we they pray, they run around. What do we do? Cause every
otherwise they will take him back.
And I say it's first time. Check this is the first time when musicians they come. Then have a way you don't go back. You don't feel happen.
That's true.
You don't feel happen. We pray and God answer. And also gonna come out for our brother. Make this money when 24 bits don't cough out. So when you don't go look for left and right. If you turn this camera at 27, now see I say you don't even feel come here since. You don't back because you don't get chance. So he has to do that to make sure that disgrace not come from everything is so I bet wanna come out for make it for the cover all this money. I know say una go try do donation for them. I trust this and yes, oh yeah. I trust una. I know say the go now take carry this matter. I go be like saying a contract. I trust you. God go bless una. Amen.
That's so.
So Siamo, this thing when I they talk about just now, this tap send. Siam, they say if you open account with this one, any currency when they come, you go feed they put them for inside. Me I don't go first.
See, we're boy. Then go dress. See here.
They buy you worry. Tap. They buy you worry.
Wait, boy.
Muja. Back money.
Oh, me very well. We tap.
Tap.
Tap send.
Yeah, me Tap send. Not be tap. This one not be the tap. See Tap send. So, na account when your feet open when you go be say pounds go feed they enter, dollar feed they
They open
enter,
the account for you, sir.
euro go feed they enter. They don't even open up for me, oh,
Yes, they open
because
for me too.
many of my sisters when they say they know if you come, don't worry, money I be want to spray you, I'll send that to you. And I say I want to see him. 24 people I want to see. I say don't worry, tap is coming. So as they don't come since now, they don't open up for me. As me and build the talk, so money don't they fly enter there.
Anyhow.
I trust you now. Money don't they fly. People don't they contact me say I know if you come the show, I want be. I say they don't open account for me, oh. So as New Year's Day, so now not say the way I dey smile, so my mouth not wide reach like this one. I dey take smile since on Friday. You know say when it see money go shine, I be that too. So I dey encourage you now. Don't say never open, make it go open. You know see am. You know see am.
We had that say,
Working.
open, tap, say, how will they open get many, I don't quite know.
I beg. You never say never open tap. Make you go open.
Yes, download the app.
Yes. You download that into your phone.
That's it.
You don't open the account with that. I don't know wetin dey gberi dey open o. Una no say na opener. So we go set camera, CCTV camera. Na me go set for this web.
Money transfer.
Yes, transfer. That's so it be.
Any transfer when you want to do, you go do it through this company.
Yes.
Yes, you do it through this one. So
by
that anywhere you dey, once they send money for you, go enter your account.
My don dey fly. You don't say me they open phones. Me I just open price. I don't want to now because I'm not gonna come follow me.
They yes say every time your phone they make bang.
Gang.
I think they say hello. Just download the tap app for your phone. For your phone.
Yes, so we don't talk that one now. You see and say this square beauty accessories. When I see me, he say if I just dey consider say you need not bother. No wear anything. No say I no wear anything. Okay. No wear anything. Say na go shelle you. He said the way he go take shelle me. The way he go come take draw the lead for my eye. Come push shiny for my face. That day you look well, man. You know say na me oh. Which one they jealous?
No.
He go give you
no. Well, I didn't say that square beauty.
Accessories.
For women.
For women. What will be milk?
He go give you man not the wear chain.
No, he go pet your mouth.
He go rub you father. Maybe I will not not your talk. Jealousy. Don't worry. If mommy bring them, if not let you use her, help una use them.
Okay. You know sit down with me and they say, oh boy, you say what no.
Oh, say yes now.
Supplier to people.
Of course now.
Supplier to people.
Of course now. Me, I want be brand ambassador for her now. So that, yes now. So that if you don't take her and judge me, then me will come to tell people, say, where you see her, I will say, how far? And the quality when they said, they say, not there anywhere. You not there anywhere. They just tell me. Wanna try all of them, wanna they come there, wanna try, wanna patronize Square Beauty Accessories. All you know, they make no day.
Everything accessories.
Oh, you waiting when I'm
what of you mind?
They know you mind.
What of animal today?
I'm not.
Between square beauty animal animal day. If you mind day, animal go dinner.
Animal supplies food to.
Yes, so
I say go pick up for us.
bend that food. Any type when you want, anyhow you want them. If you see one time light, you go give them. Visage like that type when your wife cook that day. Egusi, when I chop egusi for you, I say for you can either they chop this kind of food. Now I snap and send and go asshole. There's no egusi there.
They supply bag of rice. Traditionally, anywhere in the world, bag of beans. Your wife will take care.
So he say they can't give us food.
Bag of
but
rice.
I don't want too fat to. I bet the kind of food they give me not the one that go make
If you
me
want to
fat.
buy food,
So
you want
be
to buy
careful with
rice,
me, oh.
beans, everything.
Yes,
He supplies
so-
them.
yes.
Food. Already we know
Everything was supply.
Ọbẹ̀ ni máa patronise the man.
better
Say
food.
man oh.
Better food. You want supply.
Better food no.
Better food.
Better. Oh, better food. Yeah, better food.
They don't go better food.
Bende Food. Okbian is the CEO of Bende Food Company. I'm school by Joe. I'm PCC. You're talking about
all this company tap now. Accessory.
Yes. Square beauty accessories.
Square beauty accessories. We bakaka mama school.
See you.
Wa we get ina ya fiame. Ina coin. So Bende Food Obiedu.
Yes.
So wala agima support here event.
Yes, I can support it. No. I think he ekiwo.
No.
I think he ekiwo.
What money where? Well, I support Bende Food. Square
Beauty accessories.
Tap I support it.
Yes.
My name was support here.
How?
My name.
I support it.
What to us?
That is why I allowed them to come and support him that day.
I show the man not here Marina this weekend.
Not here on the 10, on the 10, on the 10, on the 11.
Marvin Liverpool. Wow.
That's your Glasgow. One woman in the egg, but what the other go all women in the egg, but what
glass grows.
Nottingham on the 10th.
Yeah.
Liverpool on the 11th. Glasgow
on the 12th.
Glasgow, always Scotland.
Scotland.
Oh, no, it's Scotland.
We now look the now look more.
I just got it happening. Oh, grand.
What are you?
Where can you at it? Okay, Scotland. Oh, my boy bad like plane. If I know that, you got someone now where egg women people there.
Okay.
Jesus Ojo.
Okay.
Why give you only on your video? Ni ya skirt. When you are my day, no day, boy, my do just skirt in here. Why you just skirt? Where my just skirt look my yo.
Yes.
When you are dressed the way.
Yeah, me and the film. Me and the film.
You have skirts. They have the boss.
Yeah, print. Oh man. So eternally gan wala o marine.
Correct.
Marine. When we got a time where Kadori since 3 years aketime you need to marry na ide. Is acting dokian Catherine afa. Ya be so why we gbe ya level ni kaji level don't change. Okian men ya talking change. The pattern ya agba okian change. Level ni kan ga you talking change. Mabega where this and our man, no jena. Let's make the change.
Yes.
Oya me adi. So no allow. No wado view boy in my yeki. No
Wow.
wado. Go kao. Mami waga do soja ya muima. Eti malaki go. Igo ni wabe important to. Waga do soja ya muima.
Correct.
Onye make a bo asem.
But like you go.
Iya we ukpokpo ka o ogbeni.
Yes.
There you need to have the gbe no day. Oya ya na so mu ewege na. O kian zewe iwe gome ade. Wala marene o.
Yes.
Why get we muima.
I give women.
Because many marine do not da oje no je. Iye we ekenana wa gbunu jo ni e we yin ave so o de no da oje no je. Oga si ma ya gbe na one after
the shoot
is so anything ni wan gwa do mo gwa we se o.
O should be not be one man.
Na the time by Roma.
O should be not be one man lodo.
Yes.
Wayala de na koko mwe. Wala o should be we go run pa mu na emu e ye ni. Akoko mwe. Wala wagimoya.
Esa oye. Esa oye. Wala Wadolanti and advisor seller. Hey, very funny man. The mother again very monoverio. Ima egana ya free airport ima ga anu woto. Ya wu imagine a school for him and stood for him. O mana wari ona dori ehin webu na na deport ma. Ana dori ehin bare so a grace ni we no hia be su yen ri o be su wa ya fefe. Eh sa oye. Oni oni me wa like iwonia. Ona gi edo pa.
Yeah.
Ona gi edo.
I will
Next time. Alright, Dore. Next time, Auchi Dore. Mama Bane.
Auchi the banana.
Abi, Ubega. Okay.
But because of the flat now, so.
Okay, no problem. Usabwa weya.
Yes.
Usabwa weya.
My
Where's the Baba?
I brought it up.
Where's the Saba?
Yes.
When I am with Mori.
Yes, now.
Yes.
How you move? I put on ya. I put my hand.
Are you good? The boy tell you.
I
German. I'm not gonna have you bloody.
That border control,
Baba.
Me and I have any.
I got no water.
So I yeah, we move bo and I know that. And I know what I'm assessing.
Yeah, me Basia and me so that we are here day at boo. Mama feel you why again. They're gonna have you.
I want to go back to Elizabeth. I want you.
If I'm gonna have you.
I think by
Then I say, ba. The boy walking on women. Like that clear defense.
Correct.
Yen we mesulele.
Meya. Where's by me at Saget?
Isan ya ka yun ge ne.
Okay, I couldn't know.
Go working now, go working.
Where woman talk to woman
understand.
What can we know here?
Ijo. Iya ka yun ge ne.
Again, where Ebu Abewu who said, anywhere.
Egbe ni gota la une na.
Seba.
What way?
Where one dear war, and what quite will be my level. Yes,
tap saying with tap saying,
my level, yes,
so a tap in a win when wagging.
But everyone that
so when I take back by go, I do tap.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, 24 bits. Uruguay dimene manani uya e fancy me guan obo ije because e taba me na e voice na be working.
What my boy okay, what my jawa okay.
I mean me put it here.
Italo wa bubu ya.
Oh, the money we are okay, we are okay. We are okay now.
Wa see.
Marco.
See you all soon. See you all soon. I love you.
Ciao, Belly.
Yeah, so we're gonna by tomorrow there will be other updates again every evening. update.
Yes.
Our men have, in fact, they come with a lot of package. You're getting before. If they got the package in your view, now in fact,
Loaded.
a ticket to marry or cheap way. 10 times 3. The package, in fact, overload. No, that means actually I download the clip because thank you guys for sticking up. About 2,000 plus watching us live. We love you all. We love you all. Please, hey, some people, let's show love to Rusele.
Yes, so
Let's show love. Anyhow, I have at least too much. No, they are doing almost 2 days. Buy a do to tap. And then now, we might be right. It was 0 day.
And
0 day.
and it's not possible we send food to him.
No, we can't send food. No, I think I can do that because he just sent me the address in Radisi Blue. 5-star hotel, no, but he has more fear. He has good instruction if I want to do anything for him.
Is it still possible for you to do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Because after 3 hours, I get here. You got me,
yeah, we'll try and give him food, any support, anything. Please let's show love to our people.
Yes.
Why not okay? Mama
I dey feel am for my skin as I say here. So the love my people get for me. I know I believe you not too much. So say me not believe you, I don't come out from my house.
Trust.
Because I believe that's why I'm here.
I trust. Pa?
Yes. God bless you.
God bless you. Give her the silver. No, the all give her pocket on pussy.
So that's so some blessing here.
When I try, well, no believe him sell Gucci. About it, my airport go there.
Body my better man will sell it.
The queue was too much.
Body my better man
Marciane.
I was saying that land.
Marciane, just my man get ready. It's a brother. Why do you
because if I the ticket of a fresh ticket,
so we swear we hook. I'm going to
all right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow is going to be more. Let's say more episode.
More updates.
More updates.
Yes. More noise.
Take a laptop fire. What is this? We love you guys. We got to go. Okay. Okay, just pick one, Mama. Let me just ask the people if they've got any special question for you.
No question, May they go prepare. I don't first tell you, like Manchester and London, these 2 cities, now there I really want settle down, take questions.
Because time is wrong.
Time is
a
problem. Maybe my like 10-20 minutes for session of question. If come a question here to answer. A question here to answer.
Teacher, my we are full school.
Teacher fellow,
me tell me when I student and teacher question, but I answer. So no.
So we want to do a friendly chat, friendly talk. We want to know ourselves more. I just want to be close to my fans. I want my fans to be close to me.
Yes.
You only because in here where any concerning you some more that is not true. Matter. So I am in a better position here. Yatamuwa where e matter na hin o oge na hin. So otanoma bungbe one normal be bungbe averijo. Na wa engbe no.
Correct. Any question from making no matter as a me assign. All questions. My assign. Oh, you must imagine assign money.
I said, and I'm your football, your daddy, you can be back, man.
Yes, sir.
Mario, you
Yes, we have
So I back back.
Yes,
I
sir.
back back here.
No problem.
Very simple. Do what man matter, man know what.
Man, no, what?
I know why.
E pa de boto wa de yan.
I say one I want to tell you.
Okay, my boy, after man, we put money for pocket to what?
So ya we gbere.
I'm going to work a bomb with Billy. Ya feel.
Why me go? We have with them.
Me make one here.
Oh,
Maybe then you go.
you are a trust young.
E pa o trust ya na so.
Trust young.
You keep people by faith.
Can be part one. So trust them.
Yeah.
I was una mo pa ke no una mo ari yo.
Yeah, I'm bow. I say, I go you could I made you can man.
Other ke to wa ba ri.
I will tell you. In London. Where Birmingham, Manchester. This competition was not competition, nothing. I don't know. They will not put it. We not do. Well, I say about no. When they book beer, but okay, why?
I trust my
Is that wa we?
Me. Maybe testament.
Wa giaro na wa ke ba.
Wa bo we ka
Wa bare ya giaro wa ke ba pa. Una me ma London.
Ya de taya yo we.
Huh?
Yes,
I de taya yo we.
Ato e.
Arriba. Before go.
Gege.
Ah, mo ya mo pa.
Imam why? But we had him one way.
All right, everyone. Well, thank you, guys. So we got to go.
Yes.
Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Updates will be more than this.
Bye.
Bye.